Hello, I'm Dr. Dan Beeson of Beeson Wellness Center. I'm frequently asked, can one be proactive in avoiding low back pain and degenerative disc disease? The answer is yes. You should know the health of your discs, that's the tissue in the spaces between your vertebrae, are very important in spinal function. The discs support the vertebra, yet allow full motion in your low back. Discs are made up of a fibrous tissue designed as many small rings holding fluid inside, with a very firm gelatinous mass or nucleus in the center on which the vertebral bodies sit and pivot. Your spinal discs also function as shock absorbers while you're up moving around, walking, running, and jumping. With good motion of your spinal discs, nutrition is pumped inward to keep the tissues plump and healthy. If good motion does not occur, the discs will desiccate, dry up, leading to degeneration. Even with good motion, there's some loss of fluid during the day due to compression from gravity. But the fluid is replaced 100% of the time while sleeping. Trauma is the leading cause of disc disease, followed by poor posture and lack of movement. A traumatic injury to a disc can cause it to leak fluid by rupturing many of the fibrous rings within the disc, allowing the gelatinous core material to extrude outward, putting pressure on a nerve, most of the time leading to sciatic nerve pain, followed by a narrowing of the disc space, abnormal motion, and pain. Traumatic sprains and strains to the tissue lead to poor vertebral motion. Again, loss of motion sets the disc up for degeneration. Your discs are built to last an entire lifetime, if properly cared for. Movement and exercise are the best ways to keep your discs healthy every day. Try to move your spine through its full range of motion several times a day. Be cautious about sitting for hours in front of a computer. Try to change your posture every 15 minutes. Using a standing desk can help engage the small muscles that support your spine and which are essential for good spinal disc health. Combination of inactivity over long periods of time and poor posture can wreak havoc on your spinal discs. Discipline yourself to have good posture. If you'd like more information about maintaining your lumbar discs, give us a call.